how to fix unable to confirm location in BetMGM. So once you open up the website via the laptop, you're going to be led to this page, which asks the player where you are playing from. So if you go ahead and place in a location that isn't where you currently are, then of course the error might occur. You can pretty much stop this from happening by using a paid VPN or a sort of proxy. So just go ahead and choose the location that you're actually from, and if it's unavailable in your region, then just go ahead and try using a paid VPN or a proxy. Okay, why is this so blurry? I'm not sure. I'm sorry about that, but this type of error might appear. So if BetMGM can't be accessed from your country, there's not much you can do if BetMGM can't be accessed from your country. So if you do have any questions, you can go ahead and contact them in their customer care team, which can still be found in the website. As simple as searching for BetMGM customer support. Both links should work, so just go ahead and choose from either. Now back to the actual fix. So you shouldn't get this problem if you go ahead and you choose your own location. But if it's still not working, you can go ahead and use the VPN and then choose the location of the BetMGM to wherever you linked your VPN or proxy in. So just put in your email and password and go ahead and log in, and it should work. So hopefully the idea does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.